There was once a man who had a pet penguin. One day he took his penguin for a walk. A policeman saw him and walked over. He said, "What are you doing with that penguin?" The man said, "I'm taking him for a walk, officer." The policeman stared at the man and said, "I'm sorry, you have to take him to the zoo." So the man agreed to take his penguin to the zoo, and the officer walked away satisfied. The next week the policeman was walking down the same street, and he saw the same man with the penguin. Angry, the officer walked over to the man and yelled, "I thought I told you to take that penguin to the zoo." The man replied, "I did, officer, and he liked it so much that I'm taking him again today." Go away, Basil. I'm sorry about my foxy friend, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the last sentence in this joke. It contains the construction "so that." Look it up in a dictionary if you don't know what it means. More "so that" sentences next time. Goodbye.